So this speaker is not only cheap, it also has a funny layout of the drivers. So they are on the sides, on both sides. And even though the speaker has not a lot of power, like only around 10-15 watts or so, it is an alright sounding speaker. It's not special, it could have had more bass for sure, but at least it's not the worst sounding speaker I've had, so it has some audio into it. And especially the passive radiators has some LED lights. Also it has like USB Type-C. It is waterproof, even pretty well waterproof. And even though its sound profile is maybe not the strongest, it does have a very nice battery size inside, so it can perform pretty alright on its battery. So without further ado, here are the audio samples. Enjoy them and see you around.
Switch up the mood, I roll through like a storm, yeah. Go for the kill, I feel like Jason Bourne, yeah. Hardly touch the pedal, still I blow right by you. I don't need it, but I get it if I try to. Listen, this and that, I'm out here feeling innovative. I just took a hit and turned the whip into a spaceship, and she had a broken heart, she said that she's all out of love. I brought back that spark and now she just can't get I can read you from a mile away. Had a shot already, need another. I'll take you back to my hideaway. Told you never judge a book by its cover, cause she told me she was down and I'm still up. Next late night, all you up? Text, who you tryna